We decided to write the 2-day diet book because we know that it could dramatically reduce the risk of getting all sorts of diseases.
You can prevent diabetes and you can prevent some of the manifestations of heart disease. And this is why the book is here, because the 2-day diet was better than the standard diet.
We're scientists and we've been studying these diets for about 7 years. And what we've actually shown is, in these trials, that the 2-day diet performed probably about twice as well as standard dieting.